Hi, everybody. I'm Janice, and this is my little dog, Big Mac. And we're the team for Mostly Blogging, and we're here today to tell you how you can schedule posts and stories to Instagram from your desktop. This video is going to center on the application Inssist, which stands for Instagram Assistant. But before we get into today's tutorial, make sure you smash the subscribe button so that you get more Instagram and social media marketing tips. I'm going to put Mac down and let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you so that way you can see exactly what I do on my computer. And here we are. So let me go ahead and explain. Inssist, again, right here you see it stands for Instagram Assistant. It is a Google Chrome extension. So let me show you how that looks on your end. So you see where I am, I'm in my Chrome browser. And when I click I hover over this, looks like a puzzle piece, extension, I click, and here are all my extensions. This is Inssist, web client for Instagram. So once you install it, you're going to click, and here you could pin it to your taskbar, you can manage it. But once we've installed it, we click, and it loads. And there it is, Tag Assistant, and it's extremely easy. Matter of fact, you see right here are what I'm seeing on my Instagram on my right. So this is what my phone would show me, my Instagram app would show me. Here's my current story, stories of people I follow, their posts are down here. And because Inssist uses artificial intelligence, which is cool, the AI, right? It gives you these tags that would apply to my niche. But what we're going to do today is show you how you can schedule using this application. It's an extension to your Instagram. So you're going to see me post a reel. You could post again to your grid, you could post a static image to your grid, you could post a reel to your feed like I'm going to, you could post to your story. And this is how this is going to work. All right, so if you wanted to post a story, you would click the camera icon, but I want to post to my grid. So I'm going to click the plus sign. And it says, what do you want to post? So I know I said the camera would get you places, but clearly they've changed their app, and you hit the plus sign to add anything. So there it says story on the top. You could add a photo or a video. You can add a reel. IGTV recently folded, but there's a new form of it. You could add a carousel post. You could add a scheduled post. If you want to add a scheduled post, you need to pay for a premium account. But if you want to post straight from desktop, you don't need a premium account, only if you want to use the scheduler. So let's see again how that's going to look. All right, so I'm clicking the plus sign, and I do want to schedule a post. In this case, it's going to be a reel. So I'm going to click scheduled post. And on the left here, you see my current Instagram grid. And I have various things here. This is a video, and static images are here, and other things that I've posted to my grid. So what I want to do is add, right? But see, it says you need a pro account, but that's fine because I happen to have one. And then all these things come up that are new in Inssist, that's fine. So like, what do I want to add? Well, notice all these icons. Here, I told you that Inssist uses AI. Here's the hashtag. If you want to go ahead and have the AI suggest hashtags, Inssist is that cool. So there's my grid once again. And see now here it says create new post. And it says, what do you want to create? Well, I'm going to type my caption. I'm going to post my video about a dream blogger. And so I will start writing my caption. Do you want to have a dream blog? You can have one with the tips in this video. Follow them today to have your dream blog come true. Share with other bloggers so they can run their dream blogs also. All right, so you get the idea. And it tells me that I have 1,994 characters remaining, but you at least get the idea of what it is that we're going for. So notice what I did in the top right just now. I clicked the word hashtags, and the AI is suggesting, based on everything I said, what might be good hashtags. And you see them off to the right. So like I just said, would a dream blog be good for somebody you know? Please share with bloggers, please share so that they also have their dream blogs. And you see that here, it says blogger, motivation, things that are relevant. Now look what's happening when I hover over the word motivation. How likely am I going to get engagement? Wow, it says if I use motivation, I'm going to get 13 times more engagement than my regular feed posts do. And then it says, how many likes will I get? Wow, 245 likes, which are going to be 12 times higher, my average. And it says, how many comments am I going to get? I can expect 13 times my average. But notice what it says about the explore. It says it is very unlikely that I am going to end up in the explore section on Instagram because this is a very competitive hashtag. Do I think it's worth a gamble for a click? I do get 30 hashtags. Absolutely, it's worth trying if it's that good a hashtag. So I click the word motivation. Now you see it here that it will be in one of my posts. And there are others. I said this is relevant for bloggers. I hover over blogger. It tells me the engagement will be very high, higher than my average. So again, this goes on and makes recommendations for me. Okay, fine. So this is definitely relevant to the blogging community, right? So I'll go ahead and click blogging community. And Insta Daily is usually a pretty popular hashtag, as is pick of the day. So I think I'll go ahead and use those. All right. Okay. So let's go ahead and see. Again, I'm hovering over Insta Daily. Engagement is very high. Pick of the day. See, notice it has a dot next to it now, which shows I don't have to think about it anymore. I've already chosen it. I love Inssist. It really is very, very helpful. You can add your location if you want. And now it says add the content. And it says choose the photo or the video that you would like to post. So, okay, let's see what happens when I add the content arrow up. And now it's going into my computer and it's saying, okay, what would you like to add? So I'm clicking where it is, and it's my dream blogger video. And I'm going to search for that and see it's a video. It's MP4. And I'm going to click open. And now it's loading. Great. So it's saying, do you want to tag people in your videos? Do you want to publish right now? What do you want to do? But I don't want to publish right now. It's almost midnight in California where I am. The odds of people being awake and on their Instagram feed that know me are very slim. So because I pay for the pro accounts, I'm going to go ahead and schedule. But if you want a free Inssist tool, then just click publish now, and you won't need a premium account. All right, so I want to schedule this. Oh, did you notice you can also save it as a draft? So today is February 19th. And so let's get out of January to today's month. All right, so today's February 19th, it's a Saturday, but a lot of people take the weekend off to go to Instagram. So I think I'll publish on Monday and click the 21st. And now down here it says, well, what time on the 21st? Right now it's going to come out at 8 o'clock in the evening, as you see, which is fine. But if you did want to change the time, see, it gives you options. You could do midday, you could do in another midday, 1 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 8 o'clock, either's fine. And if you wanted to do custom, you would just click custom and be able to set it that way. 4 o'clock is fine for my purposes. So I'll go ahead and click midday at 4 o'clock. And notice here now it says that for you. So I'm all set to go. My video is set. My I always like to end with my blog's name. It's saying, do you want a thumbnail? This thumbnail is fine. I am cognizant of Instagram aesthetics, but dark blue at this point in my grid would be perfect. And there's no one here that I want to tag. So what else do we need to do? We're clicking the schedule button, and then it will be scheduled for when I need it to be on Monday. Now notice what's going on. Immediately in my grid is my video post that I have set to go on Monday. And it's giving me the option of making sure that I like it before I go ahead and confirm this. And I do. As you see, the colors are working for me. A little bit about Instagram strategy as far as aesthetics in your grid. I have dark here, I have dark here, and it's telling me that I have this set for Monday at 4 p.m., which is fine. So that's really all you need to know about Inssist. Let's go ahead and look at some other features of it. Here's the calendar. Here's the time slots that we looked at. It says that you could post many things at one time here in bulk. We didn't go ahead and look at this. So let's see what happens when we push this. And so if you wanted to send your scheduled post to somebody, you could send them a DM, so they'll get your post in their inbox using primary, using your general contacts, but I don't think we need to do that right now. So we've covered everything. We've covered how to send, we've covered how to get an image, we've covered the hashtags, we've covered the pro account using the scheduler, and that's really all you need to know about Inssist. And here it talks about pricing. If you did want to pay for a premium account, I am not an affiliate of Inssist or anything like that, but I do use and recommend the tool. I hope you saw how easy it was, certainly convenient for people that want to schedule from their desktop or just simply publish immediately for those of you with a free account. But for those of you who want to pay for a premium account, you see Inssist starts at $7.90 a month. I'm going to go ahead and stop my share. And before I do, notice everything else you could do with a pro account here. If you wanted, it would make you a custom video cover. it has a lot of bells and whistles here on the pro account. It gives you an analytics and so forth. Okay, so let's go ahead and stop the share. And once again, I want to thank everybody for watching my Inssist video tutorial review. Using Inssist, you can post immediately to your desktop. You could post stories, you could post videos, you could post reels from your desktop, or using the Inssist premium account, you can pre-schedule. Once again, this is Janice Wald from Mostly Blogging, and I want to remind everybody to subscribe and share. And I can't wait to see you in future social media marketing videos. Thanks again. Bye.